Hey my DIYers, we are back at it again with another tutorial. Please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Log check, they are coming in. Honestly, I don't really like my hair too long, so I keep trimming it, but I'm gonna try and grow it out. I'm really loving them so far. I can't wait till they get thicker, and I can't wait to learn more like twist styles with kinky hair because all I ever known is doing single braids, so it's kind of hard, but we learning as we go. All right, let's get into it. Here I'm doing a retwist using the crochet needle because I have a lot of growth. I just wanted to kind of instantly lock up as much hair as possible. And then I got my lock and twist gel. Use my comb to twist it, palm roll, and this is what I'm doing for each lock. And I always remind you guys to stay hydrated, especially when you're doing your own hair. It's a long process and you might get dry sometime. Last one. And we are all done. Okay, now I'm using my blow dryer cap. I stayed under here for about 45 minutes while I listened to some tunes. Alright, so today we are using the Afro Nalatress 3-time Afro spring hair. I really do like this hair, but it definitely didn't match my texture. I tried to do like a twist side bang, but it wasn't blending, so I just left part of it out and did like a poofy bang. But it's all good. I love how it turned out regardless. I will use this hair again. I really did like the style. It was super cute, giving like Chloe and Halle, coming to America vibes, you know? Me and my sister had a girls' night, so I decided to zhuzh it up a bit by adding this hair. So I did my 2-strand twist. As you can see, the texture isn't the same. It's not a match, guys, but it's all good. We are doing a side puffy bang. And using our handy rubber bands. I love rubber bands, they are a lifesaver. To tie it off. And there you go. I did 4 of them. I know I kind of did this off camera. For the ponytail, I used my hair tie end of the hair and tied that around to give it length. And then I wrapped it around my locks. See how there's like excess hair there? So I used that and I wrapped that underneath my locks and used another hair tie to secure it. And then I did this off camera too, but I used another piece of hair to wrap it around to like make it look neater. You'll see it in the final look, but this is the technique that I used. Separating the curls. And boom, look at that coverage. You see the ponytail, how I wrapped the hair around there. It looks nice and neat. This is my final look, showing off my press-ons that I got from Amazon. I love them so much. Here we go, I'm feeling this. I'm really loving it. I love the kinky curl. It covered my locks throughout the night. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you decide to try this hairstyle, let me know how it turned out in the comments. Thank you again so much. Really appreciate you all. Bye.